Speaking a language and writing it is completely different. When we write, we need to focus on every single grammar aspect. And the most common mistake is word order. Sometimes we misplace the word that makes our sentences, even if the idea is clear and correct, however, grammatically, it's not. As an example of that, check this sentence. Taniat al-Had is a small, nice town in Algeria. Can you spot the mistake? Taniat al-Had is a small, nice town in Algeria. This sentence is wrong. Let's check it out. Taniat al-Had is the subject. Is the verb, and a small town in Algeria is the object. Where's the problem? Let's break it down. Small is an adjective and nice is another adjective. The problem actually is in these two adjectives. How is that possible? Sentence is subject plus verb plus object number 1 plus object number 2. We're talking about this sentence, okay? Object 1 must be your opinion about something. Then comes the size of that thing. So opinion number 1 and size number 2. Small is not an opinion. Nice is the opinion. So we should start with nice and then comes the size, which is small. So the right sentence should sound something like this. Taniat al-Had is a nice small town in Algeria. Taniat al-Had is a nice small town in Algeria. Let's check with our structure. Nice is your opinion. Some people may not agree with you, but size, most of people agree with that. They see it small. However, nice, you see it nice, other people see it otherwise. All right, so remember, object number 1 must be your opinion. Object number 2 must be size. Cool. Let's move to another example. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born in 1756 in Salzburg. This sentence looks perfect. However, it's not. Spot the mistake. It's in 1756 in Salzburg. This is the mistake. Why? Here is the detail. It's subject plus verb plus object plus another object. Object number 1 and object number 2. Object number 1 must be the place and object number 2 must be the time or the date. Okay? Here, so Salzburg should come first and in 1756 should come next. Our sentence must be like this. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born in Salzburg, 1 in 1756, 2. So the place is the city and the time is the year. Cool. Move on to the last one. The name of this street is what? Many people ask this question. In spoken English, it may be okay. In written English, it's wrong. It's a question. And we all know that questions should start with a WH, what, why, when, how, etc. Plus the verb to be, plus subject, then the question mark. This is the right structure of a WH question with the verb to be. Here we have is what. So what comes first, then is, and both of them come at the beginning of the sentence or at the beginning of the question. This is the right question. What is the name of this street? What is the name of this street? This question is correct. We are respecting the structure. WH, be plus the subject. The name of the street is the subject. And that's it for today. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new to our channel. If you have any questions, any additional information, kindly share it in the comment section and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing within vibes. Take care. See you the next time. Bye bye.